Today I'm going to talk about wireframes. 5 reasons why wireframes are important in the design process. You would have heard a lot of other reasons, but my reasons can be a little different. Hope this helps. What are wireframes? I'll just give you a gist about it. When we are in school, right, they give us pencil. Why they give is because we can make mistakes and we can correct them and learn faster. And also, if you want to erase everything, and you can rewrite without wasting paper. In the same way, wireframes in design are like that. They are fast to make, and you will save a lot of time in understanding your users and getting feedback. So you just use this sketch pen or some pencil, draw them out and take them to the users, and you will be immediately getting the feedback, and it doesn't take a lot of time. Let me give you the reasons why wireframes are important. First reason is, when we are using pencil and paper, right, or a marker, we are not looking at any kind of designs. We are not looking at in the computer, and whenever we are trying to design in computer, what happens is computer or laptop, what happens is it is easy for us to just click and open one tab and look at other designers design, copy and paste it. But when you're doing it on paper, right, you start using your brain, and we start thinking on our own, and we build upon our experiences, and we build upon the surroundings and etc. So all the data we collected previously, we'll think about that one rather than depending on somebody else's idea. Whenever I use these wireframes, then I was able to design them uniquely. Normally when I design, when sometimes the requirement I need to fulfill fast for the clients, etc. So that time what happens, without wireframes I design, then we have to take here something, here something, and then go ahead and design it. So we don't want to do that. We want to be unique, right? That's why to become more creative, we need to use this pen and paper or sketch or marker, something in order to make sure we be more unique in our designs. Then the second reason why we should use is, so wireframes doesn't take a lot of time. You just like maybe, and if you have to design a whole application, it might take like 2-3 hours. Of course that thinking is definitely there, but because it is very rough, isn't it, you're not attached to that design, it is easy to let go, and then we are open for the feedback. That is one of the reasons. Then the third reason is, when it comes to users, when you show the wireframes, if you show the real mocks, what they say is, hey, this color is not good, this font size is not good, no, you might want to use some little more space here and all this. Instead of if you show them the mocks, that will happen. If you show them the wireframes, they focus on that specific flow. Is the flow going right? Are the steps right? That's what they concentrate on when we show them the wireframes. Once the flow is ready, it is easy for us to make the real design and mockups, because we already got clarity where the user is not able to understand what he's trying to do, right? So that's one of the reasons. Then we have, and also it's fun. It is really fun to do the usability testing with wireframes. More than fun, it is also a lot of experience, right? When you're drawing something with your hands, making so that experience, you feel it, and you are more involved into the design process, and you're more involved into a user's journey, right? That if you do it with your hands, that feeling is completely different, right? It is like so talking to someone on a virtual phone, or like a video call, or talking to somebody who is on live, right? That's the difference. When you make with your hands, you feel it, right? So that's one of the reasons. And then the last reason, but not the least one, it is really important. When you show these wireframes and get feedback and do the iterations, what you get is experience. you take this experience and put it on your portfolio or the case study of this specific project. Whenever you're going to talk about this project with somebody, you'll have a lot of information to share, a lot of stories to share. So think of this when you're sharing a, okay, why is this like this? Then you somebody asks you, why is this specific thing like this? You can tell, okay, I was testing this on the wireframe level with the users. On the wireframe level only, they are able to not understand. If you tell that level of data and that kind of story, or you take a specific person, okay, I was testing with this person, he is some 85 years old, and he was not able to understand what the other design which I did. He was able to understand this. That's why I kept it like this. You can say this. Then what will happen? The other person will understand that you have done a lot of hard work and you have put a lot of thinking while designing this product. That means you are a great designer. You are a good designer. So that's how it is. Hope this helps. Guys, one request, please do comment if you like this one, and also if possible share it as well. Thank you very much for your time. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye, take care of yourself.